We have made a mix and match bundle. So to give you an overview, just start it by simply clicking on the Create a First Bundle. So here you can see already ready-made templates. There are over 70 plus ready-made templates. You can choose any one. For that, you just need to choose a single one and you have to name it. For example, I have named it Mix and Match. You have to choose any template and just click on this. You can see it's dummy products over here, and you can see in general you can see the bundle name which we named Mix and Match, and you can see the handle name here. So to choose product or collection, simply click on Product tab. So here you can see you can add collections or products from here. And for now we are going with the collection. For example, we are going to go with this bottom and the jeans, perfect combination. By clicking on the 8 set, we can make multiple sets. Each individual set, we can choose its own product and collection. So for now, we just need this one. We want to make it simple, so just simply cross it from here. To add discount on the bundle, simply click on the discount tab here. So you can see there are two types of discount. It's tier base and the fixed base. In tier base, there are also two kinds. It's quantity and the amount base. In quantity, you can set multiple things like percentage base, fixed amount, free gift, no discount, shipping discount, and free shipping. And you can see here in the box, whatever you choose from here, you can also see on the preview like here. We have chosen the three type of discount. You can see the three type of discounts. To customize the style, simply click on the styling tab. So you will see a bunch of nested styles tabs that use for the styling of different components. For example, you can see the banner, you can see the progress bar here, you can see the steps here, you can see the products here. In products, there are multiple options. You can see the quick view and the bundle box. So if you want to change the style of any specific component, just simply double click on component. For example, I'm clicking on the banner. So you can see we can change things here for the banner. See, yeah, that's it. To change the content on bundle, you can go to the language tab here. So the bundle support multiple languages. Here the store only have one language, so it's showing only single language here. But if store have selected multiple languages, then it will showing on the top bar of the language tab. For quick content change, simply press Alt and then double click on the component that you want to change. And this is for the window. And if you're a Mac user, you can simply press Option and just double click on the content. Here I'm changing the title of the banner. I've named it Mix and Match. For quick bundle customization, you can also use AI Studio here. So this AI Studio will only changes or customize the bundle that already existing bundle options that we already have. The AI Studio will not automatically create or modify anything on its own. It only makes changes within the predefined bundle options provided. So you can simply click on more features. You can see a lot of features here like form fields, countdown timer. If you click here, you can simply see the countdown timer here. You can also a lot of options, sales navigator, inventory stock, extra, task cart, advanced, each and everything. In settings, you can change the cart behavior like scheduling and meta-field synchronization and extend product data. All right, let's create bundle from here. So let's preview it. So you can see the products, the collections we have chosen here. So if you want to view the bundle in the theme, just simply follow this step, click on the ID, copy it, open the theme customizer, add or select the rich landing bundle app block, Paste the ID into the bundle field and you will see the bundle there. I will go back here, simply its section, go to the app, rich landing bundle, and I will simply copy, paste here, and you will see the bundle here. I will save it. All right, let's go back to the preview. Here, let's do add to cart. I will choose some product from here. Is this, let's do the add to cart. It's already added. So you can see the discounts here. Yeah, you can see the 15% discounts here. Let's do checkout. So I'm just randomly putting some figures here. And let's do it. So you can also see the discounts on this batch as well. All right, so we are done. Let's go to the orders. It's here. Simply click it and boom, we have the discounts details here. And you can see we have ordered 3 products and already 15% discounts here. That's it.